What do you get when you combine candy with a B&M hypercoaster? Well, in my opinion, you get one pretty sweet experience. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing that pretty sweet experience in Hersheypark's 2020 edition, Candymonium. Now, I rode Candymonium in July of 2020 when it first opened, and I've never been on a hypercoaster before, so I didn't know quite what to expect, but the community seems to love them, so I knew I was in for a good ride. The appearance of this coaster is just absolutely stunning, as it stands over a little bit of a ravine in the very front of the park. They redid their whole entrance this year with a new land called Chocolate Town, and it looks amazing. Now, with the name Candymonium, of course, it's themed to candy, so the track is appropriately colored chocolate brown, and with light gray supports, it looks quite good, and the chocolate track doesn't look like poop, so hey, that's a win for Hershey. Now, once you head into the building where most of the queue is, there's candy logos all over the wall, and it's in like a kind of like a collage, so it looks pretty cool. But once you head up the stairs, there's LED lights, so that's cool. It's a nice little touch because once you get up the stairs, you're right there in the station ready to board the train. So overall, with the theming, I mean, it's cool. It's something to look at while you're in line, but it's nothing to blow you away like Disney level. But it's better than just walking into a station like Sky Rush is. So let's talk about the actual ride. This is the tallest and longest and fastest coaster in Hersheypark, just slightly taller and faster than Sky Rush. So the park having two hypercoasters, this is the taller of the two. And with that, it is 210 feet tall, has 4,636 feet of track, and goes 76 miles per hour, which is just 1 mile per hour faster than Sky Rush. Now, like I said earlier, I had never been on a hypercoaster before this, so this was my tallest roller coaster. And coming down that first drop, I was blown away. I mean, you feel that drop in your stomach, and it's just like, it almost feels like it's 90-degree drop, so you are looking pretty straight down. And then once you come up that camelback, I mean, the airtime is just insane. You are just floating. You're not even in your seat. I mean, I was hanging on for dear life because I had never experienced anything like this, because you are just thrown into the top of that B&M clamshell restraint. So then, after the first camelback, you go into the turnaround, which turns left, and goes into another camelback, which then, after the camelbacks that are filled with airtime again, you hit the speed hill, which goes into an upwards helix. So then, after you hit that upward helix, you go straight into a like sideways, like wave turn kind of thing, and this is one of the more unique elements on Candymonium. And then after you hit that sideways turn, you go into a big helix around the Hershey Kisses fountain, which is part of this coaster and themed land, and then you hit the brake run, and then do a little dip into the final brake run. So overall, this layout is super fun. It's really great, and yeah, people do say it is a little short for B&M Hyper, and yeah, it kind of is, but I've never been on anything else, and this is my personal review, so I think it's great. I think it's fun, I think it's filled with airtime, and it has really great, unique elements. So, overall, altogether, I give this coaster a 10 out of 10. I think it's amazing. It was my number one coaster up until about a week ago, which I'll do a video on my new number one in a little bit, but, I mean, it's awesome. It's just super fun, and it's a good time, and I mean, that's why we ride roller coasters, right? For a good time. So, in conclusion, good job, Hersheypark. This is a great coaster, and I can't wait to see what else they add in the future, because it's gonna be great. And yeah, that concludes this review of Candymonium at Hersheypark. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stick around for more videos. See ya.